Women love beauty tips and are always on the lookout to get gorgeous tricks that will make your hair shinier and skin flawless. We have the roundup of some of the best beauty tricks every woman must know. Number 1. Use green tea for beauty. Besides being a miraculous detox drink, green tea can be miraculous for your skin too. Green tea bags help in reducing swelling and stiffening the skin. When placed over closed eyes, the cooled tea bags can act wonders in getting rid of those disappointing dark circles. Try it and you will know. Number 2. Sweet almond oil to remove lipstick. A long-lasting lipstick is a bliss for a long working day, but the simple idea of removing it hassles us. Take this simple tip for getting rid of it by simply drizzling some sweet almond oil over a cotton ball and dabbing it over your lips. Super cheap when compared to those expensive makeup removers, this tip is a win-win for sure. Number 3. Buy non-comedogenic products. There are a lot of things associated with teenage, which makes us nostalgic. Acne is certainly not amongst that. Those tiny spots on your face are very disappointing and demoralizes you. Hiding and concealing them by makeup is the only recourse left. This temporary coping strategy can be disastrous in the long run. While buying makeup, especially when you have an oily skin, make sure you use a product which is non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic products are less likely to irritate the skin or clog your pores. These products won't cause blocked pores and prevent you from those irritating acne. Number 4. Vaseline for better eyebrow shaping. Eyebrows can sometimes behave awkwardly. You can tame your unruly eyebrows by just applying some Vaseline over it and then using your eyebrow brush for further shaping. And you are done. Number 5. Coconut hair massage before washing. Hair is one of the most appealing and at the same time experimented parts of a woman's body. Curls, straightening and hair color, our hair handles it all. With all that damage we cause, the nourishment of your hair becomes of paramount importance. A gentle massage with some coconut oil 10 minutes prior to shampooing can add wonders to your hair. Make your hair enviable and lustrous by this simple effort. Number 6. Conduct patch test for hair color. Hair color contains a chemical substance called paraphenylenediamine, which can cause allergy to some. For preventing yourself from that unnecessary reaction, it's advised to conduct a patch test. Apply a patch of color behind your ear and leave it for 24 hours to check if your skin is allergic to that product. After all, prevention is better than cure. Number 7. Don't cut cuticles. While manicuring your hands, don't ever cut those thin slivers called cuticles. Why? Those cuticles act as a seal of protection, and if cut, it'll leave you unfortified to bacteria or even infection. To prevent yourself from infection, push back your cuticles after taking bath, apply lotion and you are done. Number 8. Cleanse with cold water. Having a flawless skin is something every girl aspires for. For achieving that, hydrating your body from the inside out is indispensable. Cleanse your face at least twice every day with cold water. Avoid warm water as it opens the pores, allowing dirt to enter into them. And don't forget to drink at least 8 glasses of water for keeping your skin smooth and radiant. Last but not the least, always carry that curve called smile down your nose. After all, it's the best makeup a girl can wear.
Please like, share and subscribe to help this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified once we upload new videos.